if I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find, and if I work tonight.
Hi, my name is Cole, and today we are going to show you how to do a Xylene transfer. First of all, you're going to need Xylene. You need a paintbrush and a burnishing tool. And you need a piece of paper, mirrored image mind you, because you're going to be laying this flat, and then you're going to be painting over it. And then you're going to lift it up and you're going to see it reverse.
I was just so far from here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was. Just out of reach of the fire, was not aware of the nightmare. But when I stopped to see through sight, begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes now, to try to change them to sunshine, to be someone among others. I've got to try to leave. I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. If I work tonight, I'm so tired tonight, I fall asleep when I'm home. When I'm no way to go, no one that can see through at the side of the light. I can see my life is crap, I have to see them too. I just live into my world, far from the pain, the feel. Just out of reach of desire, was not aware of the start of hell. But when I stopped to see those eyes, begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes now, to try to change them to sunshine, to be someone among others. I've got to try. If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. If I work tonight, I'm so tired tonight, I fall asleep when I'm home. I was so wrong, I was so blind, I was so dumb and out of time. I was so wrong, I was so blind, I was so If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job to find. And if I work tonight, I'm so tired tonight, I fall asleep when I'm home. When I'm from here, focused on my own way, with never looking back to those who lived in fear. There was nothing I could do, there was nothing you said that could make me realize how much lucky I was. Just out of reach of the fire, was not aware of the nightmare. But when I stopped to see through sight, begging for help, begging for hope, just need to open my eyes.
Okay, so we just spent 2.5 hours transferring all this text into this book. Now this book we got off Amazon for how much?
It was between $11 and $15. I don't remember.
So it was brand new. It said it was real leather. We distressed it before we did this because
Destroyed it.
yeah, this thing is wrecked. Because what we use to transfer the ink onto this book is flammable. So we were making sure that we burnt all the edges prior to doing this.
Just in case.
Just in case. We don't want to set the whole thing on fire. No. But we did front and back on this. How many pages?
20.
20 pages took 2.5 hours. Can you believe that? That's crazy. Anyway, so these, we filled these front and back, and we had to put pages in between the book.
While it dries.
While it dried, because it was actually transferring from page to page, unfortunately. So we do have one page that is unfortunately messed up. But while we were doing this, we did figure out it's best if you use like a thin layer of, what is it called?
Xylene.
Okay, so if you use a thin layer of Xylene, it's probably like a sponge brush would probably work really well. I think that would work well. But we used also a bone folder, but you really use anything.
For your burnishing tool.
Yeah.
You can use anything that doesn't damage paper.
Yeah, as long as it doesn't damage the paper. And make sure you guys are doing this outside. This is really smelly. Like, oh my God, I was smelling the fumes out there.
It smells like straight spray paint.
Yeah, you're gonna smell like spray paint for a little while. And I don't know, I don't think I had anything else.
Just make sure your paper's porous.
Yeah.
A smooth paper or coated surface won't work.
Yeah.
You can do it on wood.
Wood.
Transfer from paper to wood.
Hold on, I gotta show you guys this.
One of the first pages is cooler.
So, this was like the first page. Oh crap, okay, here we go. Anyway, you can barely tell. Like it's so faded, like man, that's burnt. Look at that. Wow, that's crazy. So we did all the elements in this book. This is a grimoire. And it's got spells, black magic, banishing spells, grounding spells. Did you want these in there?
I don't know. Will it still do it?
I don't know. I think it's okay. I think it was just while we were like literally just going like that. So. But what we did is we took dirt and rubbed it all across the inside of this and made it all so dirty. You can see like this. There you can see that clean part. See that? But look how good that looks. Bam. Like a real full-fledged grimoire. Now, this thing does actually fold.
And clasp.
Yeah.
When the page is left.
Yeah, here, check. Boom, look at that. Yeah. And we burnt, look at that, we burnt all these edges.
Look at that.
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look how good that looks. So that's how you do a Xylene transfer, and we're going to be using this grimoire in a upcoming photo shoot, so keep an eye out for that.
It's going to be so awesome.